So guys, today we will be talking about the speedometer. You can see this is the speedometer of the bike. When we start it, we can see here this is the mileage that we have used, 1581 kilometers we have used, and the maximum speed is 125. As I told you, this is 125 bike, and uh, we have each and everything, and mean that headlights I can show you when I start, but I have to say only the one thing about it, that each and everything is amazing here, because this bike is amazing. And this is not only the bike that I say that this is a thing, this is my life partner, we can say that, because anywhere I want I can go along with this bike. Nobody can stop me, and nobody can say anything that where are you going or what are you doing. So we can go anywhere we want, and we can do anything that we want. And we have two keys here, as I told you that the company gives the two keys, but one key I think that should be used for the cap of the tank, and the second key should be used only for the switch. But the both keys are used for both of the things. But again, I suggest that you should be using the different keys. As we are on the petrol pump, then sometimes we don't need to switch off the bike, because we have already, in the condition, in the case if we have used a long distance, we cannot switch off the bike instantly. That is the reason that sometimes the second key is required only for using the cap, only for opening the cap. And we have dust in our own area, we have dust everywhere. That is the reason that we use this key, multiple keys. And we have too much to discuss about the bike, but we don't have enough time. That is the reason that I will give you a ride when I go outside, and I will show you the speed, maximum speed, which will go more than 100.